The nice thing about vacuum secondary carburetors is that you never have to worry about them being too big. Your engine will only use what it wants. The bad thing is, the way they're set up from the factory, whether it's a Summit or a Holley, any of these aftermarket carburetors, the way they're set up is for a 350 to 400 cubic inch engine that operates in like the 3,000 and up RPM range. So when you stick one of those on a little 273 like ours, those secondaries take forever to open. The answer is to tune the thing. And how do you do that? Well, you get yourself a spring kit like this. They're about 15 bucks, and it's like a universal deal. Okay, so here's a secondary vacuum pot. All right, so let's pop this open real quick. And there's your spring. So what you want to do is find the lightest spring you can that you could put in the engine, that when you flat punch it, it doesn't fall on its face, it doesn't bog, because that means the secondaries are opening too quickly. So what we did here was, just to go a back-to-back comparison, we have the stock black heavy spring that comes shipped in these carburetors, and then we set up this diaphragm here with the latest yellow spring that they have, which should be about right for this 273. Let's take it for a ride and we'll do it before and after. Yes, I know the windshield is cracked. I've got 3 of them. I don't have the time to put one in. If you're going to bitch about it, come here and put the windshield in yourself. So what we'll do is, we'll make each of these runs from a 10-mile-an-hour roll. Starting in first gear. It's a little snotty out, so let's see. Here's 10 miles an hour. There's the secondaries. So you see how long it took for the secondaries to open on that. So now, let's swap them. Okay. All right, let's go to 10-mile-an-hour roll again. Right there. That's a major difference. That's probably 3 or 4 tenths in the quarter all by itself. So that's it. Basic tuning goes a long way. See you tomorrow.